Hey, welcome to Fix-It. Today I will show you how to block adult websites on Samsung. Let's go. This is crucial for managing what content is viewable, particularly if you aim to shield children or minimize distractions by adhering to a few straightforward steps. You can block access to adult content on all browsers on your Samsung phone by following these instructions. First of all, simply swipe down from the top of the screen, then tap the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Connections section and tap on More Connection Settings. Next, select Private DNS, which enables you to create a personalized DNS server. DNS, or Domain Name System, converts the names of websites into IP addresses that devices use to communicate with each other. By modifying your device's DNS settings to a family-friendly provider, you can block access to adult websites and other inappropriate content. You'll see three options here: Private DNS Provider, Host, and Type. Choose the Private DNS Provider, Host, and Type. Then enter a specific host name provided by a family-friendly DNS service. This will set up your device's network to automatically block access to adult websites. Thanks for choosing Fix-It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.